Hey guys, G's Vintage Fan Chat here today with another ceiling fan video. This is going to be a series of fans that I've gotten. They're not all the same, obviously. If you follow me on Snapchat, you've already seen my stories about them. They're not going to be in the order that I got them as I normally do. I'm just going to kind of do what I can, starting with the upstairs floor. Only one I probably won't do a video on is one I have a duplicate of, and I'll explain in the other video. Anyway, here is a Harbor Breeze New Orleans, dated April of 1999. So far I've had to replace this blade because it was sagging about as bad as this one right here next to it. You'll see in the, when I start it up on the low. We'll go ahead and do a light demonstration. Just a light. It is dust. It is, like, super filthy, and it's got shit all over it, because I don't know where the hell they stored this thing for the past 8 years. The previous owners, put it in storage, like, 8 years ago, and I don't know if it was in a fucking mud puddle, but it's got, like, red, brownish shit all over the blades and the fan itself. Anyway, here's the light. I just want to see how that looks with the light on. I'll just do the video with the light on, as I normally do. Here's low. My friend's coming over here in a few minutes. He's lives next door, so he'll probably pop in during one of the videos. So, you can see here the blade that's really saggy. The other one was worse. It was way lower than that one. I don't know what it is with the New Orleanses that I get for doing that. It's always the white ones that do it for me. But it's also all I've had. I've had 3 freaking white ones. So, turn this fan off. Here's medium. Actually, before I do that, there's light off. Then, there's medium on it. It does sway, because I had to have it loose onto the ceiling, so it won't exactly mess with the... Basically, I have it loose on the ceiling, so it doesn't mess with the drywall or the mounting, because that spot makes fans a pain in the ass to install the way the ceiling is. So, and I just have it screwed into the wooden beam. There's medium. You can see it sways really bad. Then light off. Then here's high, which it kind of smooths itself out on high. Sure, if I put it on a down rod, the thing will wobble like hell, but it runs really well on high for even having an event blade. It's really smooth. Give a close-up of it while I'm thinking about it. Just a little up close. It runs really well. See here, it can't even keep up with it. So there's the blade pitch. Top of it. You can see here, it's pretty bad. The ceiling's busted on both ends to where it's like all jacked up, where it looks hideous, and the mounting isn't secure, so that's the reason for the cardboard. This one here is even worse, but, yeah, and I'll show you another spot that's even worse than this one, after this video, because the next one I'm going to record. Anyway, now, set the phone back up, make sure you guys can see it. Oh shit, that's right. There you go. And now time for the somewhat spit down. Do that with the light off. And that is it. There's the New Orleans. Alright, bye.